true. Shop like a billionaire. Shop like a billionaire.
Do not touch grass. I repeat, do not touch grass. All the grass in the US has suddenly had a change in its structure and has become poisonous. If you touch grass, you will start to have a fever, paranoia, nausea, and potentially death. Scientists are currently trying to find out why all this happened. For the time being, it is advised to stay indoors and only go out if you have a car. Stay tuned, stay safe, and may God watch over all of us. This has been an activation of the emergency alert system.